right? So in the number pattern, number written in first, right, okay, first term, that is denoted by T1. Number written in second, that is denoted by second term, T2, right? So like that, T3, T4, okay, right. Now, another thing you have to learn in this number patterns. See, 2 and 4, right? 2 and 4. These are called consecutive terms. Consecutive, right? Consecutive terms. So I'm going to take the difference, right? Difference between these two terms. So can you tell me the difference? What is the difference between 2 and 4? Tell me. Yes, difference is 2. Okay, difference is 2. Right. What is the difference between 4 and 6? That is also 2. That is also 2. Right? Difference between 6 and 8? That is also 2. Right? Now you can see difference between these consecutive terms. 2. Difference between these consecutive terms is also 2. Difference between these two, that is also 2. Right? So difference 2. Difference same number. So if difference is same, we call that this difference is common difference, right? If difference is same, we call that difference is common difference. Okay, then how to find this common difference? කොහොමද මේ common difference එක කියන එක හොයාගන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ වගේ එක ළඟ තියෙන term දෙකක් ගන්න වෙනවා. right? consecutive term. එතකොට මෙන්න මෙයාගේ මෙයාව මොනා කරන්න ඕනද? subtract කරන්න ඕන. right? එතකොට අපිට හම්බ වෙනවා ඔන්න ඔය difference එක. එතකොට you can take any term, right, to subtract, but you can't take first term. See, right? Any term except first term, right? Except first term. Subtract the, right? See, if you take this term, so you can't take first term. Then this is the any term except first term. First term එක හැර, right? Then for you have to subtract the previous term, right? If you take 4, subtract 2. If you take 6, subtract the previous term. So previous term is 4. If you take 8, previous term is 6. Okay? Then subtract previous term. The previous term. Right? So easy one, now simple one. How to find the common difference? Take any term except first term, subtract the previous term. Okay? So then you get the common difference. හරි? දැන් මේකේ මේ වැඩි එකෙන් අඩු එක එහෙම කියලා නෑ හා. දැන් සමහර ඒවා තියෙනවානේ අඩු වීගෙන යන ඒවා decreasing, right? එතකොට මේ term එකක් ගත්තොත් ඊට කලින් term එක තමයි subtract කරන්න වෙන්නේ. Right? So that is called common difference. Right? Please write this one also. First example, right? See, my first term is, okay, First term is 3. First term is 3. Right? My common difference is, right, 2. Right? First term is 3. Common difference is 2. Okay? Now I want to write first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Right? I want to write 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 terms. Right? Now see, first term, that is given, nothing to find, 3. Right? Now how to take the second term? How to find the second term? Common difference is 2. That means you have to add 2 to the first term. Understood? First term is 3. Add the common difference. Why? Common difference you get by subtracting. මෙයාගෙන් මෙයාව subtract කරලානේ ඔය common difference එක ආවේ. එහෙනම් second term එක හම්බෙන්නේ කොහමද? first term එකට අර subtract කරපු කෙනා add කරලා. Right? Then you get 3 plus 2, 5. Second term is 5. Now, how to take the third term? Second term is 5. You have to add the common difference. Right? Then 5 plus 2 is 7. Right? Then fourth term, 7 plus 2. Then you get 9. Right? So always common difference you have to add. Sometimes common difference may be negative. Right? එතකොට first term එක අපි දන්නවා නම් second term එක ගන්නෙ මොනවා කරලාද? මෙන්න මේ common difference එක add කරලා. Right? third term එක ගන්නෙ කොහමද? second term එකට common difference එක add කරලා. Right? fourth term එකත් එහෙමයි. එතකොට මේ common difference එක කියන එක සමහර වෙලාවට negative වෙනවා. නේ? එතකොට අපි add කරන්න ගියාම වෙන්නේ ඇත්තටම subtract වෙන එක. Right? ඒක ගානක ගියාම වෙන වැඩක්. Right? Now write down this example. Second example, my first term is, okay, first term is 5. Okay, first term is 5. And common difference, right? Common difference is -3. Okay, common difference is -3. Right? Now I want to write down first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. Okay, first 4 terms. හරිද? first term එක 5. common difference එක -3. මට පළවෙනි term 4 ලියන්න ඕන. Right? So first term, that is 5. No matter. Okay. Now how to get the second term? You have to add common difference. මේක ආවේ subtract කරලා. එහෙනම් second term එක ගන්න මොනවා කරන්න ඕනද? first term එක කියන 5 වලට add කරන්න ඕන common difference එක. හැබැයි common difference is -3. So you have to use bracket. Understood? First term add common difference. හැමතිස්සෙම කරන්නේ common difference එක add කරන එක. මේකේ common difference එක negative. නේ? එහෙනම් මෙයාවත් අපි දකිනවා කාගෙන්ද? sign එක. What is the sign of 5? Positive. නේ? Positive 5. Now addition of directed numbers. Addition of directed numbers. This number positive, this number negative. Positive, negative. Different. Different mean subtract. Eh? Subtract. How to subtract? Greater one, subtract less one. දෙන්නගේ sign දෙක වෙනස් වුණොත් මොකද කරන්න ඕන? වැඩි කෙනාගෙන් අඩු කෙනා subtract කරනවා. කවුද? 5 වලින් 3 subtract කරපුවාම 2 කාගේ sign එක වැඩි කෙනා 5 එයාගේ sign එක positive එහෙනම් හම්බෙන්නේ කවුද positive 2 no need to write positive okay now go to the third term how second term is 2 add common difference is negative 3 okay then this 2 means positive 2 again positive number negative number different subtract 3 minus 2 වැඩි කෙනාගෙන් අඩු කෙනා නේ 3 minus 2 1 greater 1 3 that is negative so you get negative 1 third term how to take the fourth term third term is negative 1 add common difference is negative 3 right then 1 is negative 3 is negative both negative same sign you want to add same sign mean add the numbers මේ දෙන්නගේම sign දෙක equal නම් දෙන්නම negative නේ එහෙනම් add කරනවා කොහමද 1 plus 3 4 both negative answer is also negative then you get negative 4 right understood right now this is the thing we are going to learn see now this is my pattern see common pattern is 2 4 6 8 like that right so infinite number pattern ascending order okay 2 is first term right 2 is first term 4 second term so now you can use the symbol okay this is first term T1 4 is second term T2 6 is third term T3 this is fourth term T3 like that right so anyone can you tell me the T10 10th term who can tell
20
yes Sajendra 20 is the 10th term can you tell me this one T20 cricket match T20 20th term 40 let's see the winner 40 right so in this pattern right so you can tell any term okay so now I'll ask what is the TN means nth term see T1 first term T2 second term T10 10th term Tn nth term what may be the nth term
2n
yes 2n remember grade 8 we did this type right so 2n 2 times n that is called nth term what is another word for nth term general term yes general term right 2n is the general term of 2 4 6 8 number pattern okay so that is the general term right so in grade 8 we learn how to find the nth term of this type of number pattern right so in grade 9 you also have different number pattern to find the nth term okay එතකොට grade 9 වලත් ඔයාලා ඉගෙන ගන්නවා මේ වගේ එක එක විදිහේ pattern දුන්නාම ඒ වල කොහොමද n term එක හොයාගන්නේ right එතකොට ඒක එක වැඩක් n term එක හොයන එක තව එකක් තමයි මෙන්න මේ n term එක දුන්නාම right ඒකෙන් අපිට පුළුවන් තව දේවල් හොයන්න right එතකොට දේවල් දෙකක් කරන්න ඕන මොකද්ද n term එක හොයන වැඩෙත් කරන්න ඕන n term එක දුන්නාම ඒකෙන් තව හොයන දේවලුත් තියෙනවා හරිද එතකොට මම ඉස්සෙල්ලාම කරන්න යන්නේ n term එක දුන්නාම ඒකෙන් කොහොමද ඔය කියන දේවල් කරන්න කියලා හරිද එතකොට ඊට පස්සේ තමයි n term එක හොයාගන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා කරන්නේ හරි right දැන් දන්නවා n term එක කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා හරි n වෙනියට ලියන term එක right now calculation when general term is given හරිද calculation when general term is given general term එක දුන්නාම ඒකෙන් එක එක දේවල් හොයන්නට යන්නේ right මේ බලන්න එකක් my general term is this one 3n plus 2 right this is the general term of number pattern so this is the nth term so I can mark that one as Tn right so my nth term is 3n plus 2 right now I want to find first one is I want to write first 4 terms okay I want to write first 4 terms පළවෙනි term 4 ලියන්න ඕන මේ බලන්න first term T1 first term T1 එහෙනම් මෙතන තියෙන n ට දාන්නේ කවුද 1 එහෙනම් මෙතන තියෙන n ටත් වැටෙන්න ඕන කවුද 1 මෙතන තියෙන්නේ කවුද 3n means 3 times n multiply that means 3 times n now n is 1 right n is 1 here plus 2 okay then I can write 3 into 1 3 here plus 2 right 3 plus 2 that is 5 so first term is 5 right now second term is T2 how to find the T2 here put n as 2 3 times 2 plus 2 okay 3 times 2 6 plus this 2 6 plus 2 8 second term is 8 right third term T3 that is 3 into 3 into n plus 2 this 2 then you got 3 into 3 9 plus 2 that is 11 okay then T4 I want the first 4 terms right T4 how 3 into 4 plus 2 right 3 into 4 12 plus 2 14 right these are the first 4 terms understood this is my nth term now I am going to find this one right I want to find 12th term right in this general term I want to find the 12th term right 12 වෙනි term එක හොයන්න ඕන එහෙනම් how to find the 12th term T12 right n is 12 now you can write 3 into 12 right? 3 into 12, 3n plus 2, right? 12 term එක හොයාගන්නේ කොහමද? n වෙනුවට දානවා 12. එතකොට මෙතනත් තියෙන්නේ 12. එතකොට හම්බ වෙනවා කවුද? 3 into 12, 36 plus 2, right? 36 plus 2 is 38. Okay, that is the 12th term. Understood? Now see, this is the nth term. Now Roman number 3, right? So I ask, which term is, right? Which term is 62, right? My question is, which term is 62, right? 62 කියන්නේ කීවෙනි term එකද? Right? Which term is 62, right? Now this is how to find 62 is which term, right? 62 කියන්නේ මොන term එකද කියලා හොයාගන්නේ මෙහෙමයි. දැන් අපි දන්නේ නැහැ 62 කියන්නේ මොන term එකද කියලා. ඒකින්ද අපි මොකද කරන්නේ? 62 කියන්නේ nth term එක කියලා ගන්නවා. right? 62 කියන්නේ මොන term එක කියලා ගන්නවද? nth term එක කියලා ගන්නවා. nth term එක මේ තමා nth term එක. right? අපි ගන්නවා 62 කියන්නේ nth term එක කියලා ගන්නවා. එතකොට මට ලියන්න පුළුවන් මේ දේ. මේ බලන්න. nth term is 3n plus 2. So we take 62 is nth term. That means nth term and 62 equal. Right? So I took 62 is nth term. Right? Now this is equation. Solve this equation, find n. Right? එතකොට මේ equation එක solve කරලා n හොයනවා. මේ බලන්න. 3 times n plus 2. First remove the added 2. Right? How to remove this added 2? Subtract 2. See? 3n plus 2. To remove this added 2, subtract 2. 62 subtract 2. Both sides subtract 2. Then what happened to plus 2 minus 2? That is 0. Right? Then 3n remains. 3n equal right side 62 minus 2 60. Right? Now n multiplied by 3. Right? n multiplied by 3. How to remove this 3? Divide by this multiplied number 3. Both sides. Okay? Then 3 is cut. Then you get simple n. 60 divided by 3 is 20. Okay? Now you can tell 62 is which term? 20th term. Now you can write 62 is 20th term. Right? Any question? Now see my question number 4. Right? So I want to express, right, n plus 1, right? See, n plus 1th term, right, using n. See, I want to express n plus 1th term, right, using simple n. Make මොකද්ද? n plus 1th term, right? මෙන්න මේ n plus 1 term එක හොයන්න ඕන. දැන් අපි මෙච්චර වෙලා හෙව්වා මතකද? මේ තියෙන්නේ nth term, right? So we found first term. එතකොට දැම්මේ n වලට 1. We found second term. n is 2. We found third term. n is 3. We found 12th term. n is 12. Like that. Now say find the n plus 1 term. එහෙනම් n plus 1 term එක හොයන්න නම් මෙතෙන්ට දාන්න ඕන n වෙනුවට කවුද? t n plus 1 නේ. first term එක හොයාගන්න මෙතෙන්ට දැම්මේ 1 නම් second term එක හොයාගන්න මෙතෙන්ට දැම්මේ 2 නම් n plus 1 term එක හොයන්න නම් මෙතෙන්ට දාන්න ඕන n plus 1. එහෙනම් මෙතෙන්ටත් වැටෙන්නේ කවුද? n plus 1. එතකොට එතන තියෙන්නේ කවුද? 3 times නේ now bracket n. Now n plus 1. Okay? 3 times n plus 1. Here plus 2 is there. Understood this step? Any question?
No, sir. No, sir. I don't
Right.
understand.
Now simplify. How to simplify? This bracket multiply by 3. Inside the bracket 2 terms. So multiply. 3 multiply by n, 3n. 3 multiply by 1, 3 into 1, 3. Positive 3. Here that number is outside the bracket. Right? Now another step you can simplify. Why? Here positive 3, here positive 2. Then this is 3n, that is enter positive 3 plus positive 2, that is positive 5. So this is n plus 1th term using n. මේ තියෙන්නේ කවුද? n plus 1 term එක. 3n plus 5. නේ මේ තියෙන්නේ n term එක.